Hey everybody, this is Nathan, and today I'm going to go over this Shimexany brake bleed kit that has been sent to me for a review and a walkthrough. So let's go ahead and take a look, see what's inside of this thing. Alright, so let's open it up. Right off the bat, we got an owner's manual. I highly suggest you check this out. There's lots of parts, pieces, and steps that you need to do to change your brake fluid in any bike you have, and this is going to teach you how to do it the best way with this kit. So as you can see, we got 2 bottles here, mineral oil. That's what you're going to be putting in for the hydraulic brakes to work. You're going to be removing your old oil and replacing it with this. And you got 2 bottles to work with. Next, you have a syringe. So this is going to work for not only removing the old oil, but also injecting the fresh oil. So it's everything you need in there, plus you get an extra piston, it looks like right there. Okay, and then here we have a funnel, somewhat translucent, so you can see the liquid in there as it's going into the brake system. You got another piston plunger here. All right, then we got a couple piston blocks here. So we got 2 different ones, depending on which system you have on your bike. But you're gonna, open up the brake caliper, and you're gonna stick these in place. And you're gonna put a rubber band around one of them once you get it in there to hold it open. So that's what that is for. Looks like you also get a Roberts clamp in there, so that goes on the hose, and once you start getting close to where you need it to be, you can pinch it. So that's what we're going to actually screw into the brake system there. That's how it goes from this unit to your bike, using these little pieces in here. It looks like there's a second rubber band for your brake pistons. Alright, then we got 2 clear tubes, so that's what we're going to be hooking up to the syringe that goes to the brake. You're going to see the fluid pass through. I like that it's clear like that too, that's really cool. And then I always really like this. I don't have to go scrambling looking for tools. You get everything you need there to disassemble and reassemble your brake pads on your bike. So that's really cool, really handy, really well thought out. So that's everything that comes with this kit. I hope you go ahead and check one out yourself.